Hello, Ken here from Ultralight, and if you haven't heard, we are no longer Ultralight Control Systems. We are now Ultralight Camera Solutions. And of course, with that means new logo, the new name, and a new website, plus a whole bunch of other goodies that we have. So right now I'm going to just do a quick overview of a bunch of different kits that we have. We currently have 6 different underwater kits, packages. We have 3 cinema ones, and for a total of almost 70 different parts, part numbers. So I'm going to go briefly over these. We're going to pan through them, and then in the next series of videos, I'm going to explain each category of kit separately. So let's take a look. What do we have here? So right now, we have a bunch of cinema arm kits that fit multiple different strobes. We have different tray kits that will fit a lot of different cameras, pretty much all the different cameras and some of the small little video cameras. We have double caged kits, which are brand new, and these will fit the iPhone housing, some of the bigger cameras. These are really cool setups. I've actually used this before for my own camera. We have a couple different video ones here. This is a cool little handheld one. The wing tray. We have quite a few different tripods. This tripod will fit just about any camera. We have little tripods that you can mount lights to, or you could put a GoPro on these. We have the pan and tilt tripod. We have our sled kit. And along with the sled kit, there's a monitor kit, and obviously this is not an underwater monitor, but I just have it here so you can check it out. So this would bolt on here. You'd have a really big camera here, and you have a complete package. And then this is my concept camera. This is my camera I've been using, but you can see how the camera's mounted to this sled with basically a tray with some rails. So it's a pretty cool setup. And for this setup right now, we have quite a few underwater underwater cinematographers that have been using this setup. But they don't have lights and everything, so I'm trying to make it so it will work for a whole complete package. So anyways, that's all the different kits that we have. I'll go into more detail on those, and in just a few minutes we'll go ahead and show you all the some of the cinema arm kits. Alright, time to show you the cinema arm kits, and as I mentioned, we've got a ton of different kits now. So why don't we pan through? You can kind of get an idea of what we have, and I'll go into more explanation later. But we have Cardellini clamp kits. And with these too, you have multiple different ways to do them with single, double arms. The length of the arm changes. The monitor bracket can change. So there's a ton of different ways you can do that. Each kit has its own part number. These are pretty much the same style kit over at the Cardellini clamp are, except all of these originate from a 1/4-20 ball, and the ends would be the same as the other ones. And then this is a very cool new product we have. This is a tripod, you could call it that. You can mount this in 3 different areas, and the legs are extendable, so you can actually mount it like this. You can put a GoPro on this. This is a really cool setup, and with the Cardellini clamps you can attach it really fast. So I'll go into more detail on this and the other kits in just a few. Other than that, I hope you enjoy all the different kits that we have and find them very useful. I think you will. And you can find everything on our website at www.ulcs.com. Have a great day.